Hey, it's Kevin here with K&D Auto Spa. Here we're doing a pre-trim on a hood that we've added PPF to. First, we normally just trim it off so it's not as wide, and then we'll do a final trim with another tool that's a lot more precise, so it gives us the consistent edge that we're looking for. We go around the whole vehicle, do all four edges of the car. We usually trim down to about 3/4 of an inch, maybe an inch. It does always help to have a second person with you too. Here we use an arrow blade by MakeMoreMoneyLLC.com, where you can it guides along the edge of the panel, and it makes a nice, even, consistent cut across. Here we'll show you how it works. Just has a razor blade in there, and you just slowly guide it across the edge of the panel. That little roller on top actually rolling on the hood. And that's it. Now we'll do this side here too. As you can see how easy it is. You gotta make sure you keep the PPF tight when you're cutting, pull backwards. Makes it a straight, consistent cut around the whole vehicle. Makes it much easier to wrap underneath. Looks better and less chance of it failing when it's cut right and it's all consistent.